Welcome to the TechProLife Awards 2025, the ultimate showdown of the year's smartest, fastest, and coolest gadgets. Let's crown the best in tech. So, it's that time of year again. We've spent the last 12 months testing, reviewing, and living with an incredible amount of new technology. We've seen some genuine breakthroughs, some interesting missteps, and a whole lot of iterative updates. But through it all, a few devices have really risen to the top. These are the ones that don't just check a box on a spec sheet, but actually push the industry forward. This is the culmination of all that work. Welcome to the TechProLife Awards 2025. What you're about to see isn't just a list of my favorite gadgets, though they are definitely that. It's a carefully curated selection of the best. We've got 10 categories to get through, covering everything from smartphones and wearables to the smartest devices for your home. Let's get straight into it and crown the first winner. All right, kicking things